We're covering the digestive system and we're looking at the appendix, the mysterious appendix. And most people will tell you don't need that thing. It doesn't provide any beneficial uses to your body, and that evolutionary is just remnants of something else. Well, we've learned differently over time that it is beneficial. Can I live without it? Sure. And often we have what's called appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix where it has to be removed. Can it be fatal? It's rare, but when you have appendicitis, it's good to get medical care right away. What we find when we look at the appendix that it's assisting with some of the digestive process from a bacterial standpoint. Just as a reminder, as we go through digestion, we go through the esophagus and then down through the stomach for that mechanical and chemical digestion, entering into the small intestine, that the duodenum. That duodenum is short, and then we start to enter into the rest of the jejunum, and then into the ileum to finally hit to the actual large intestine. And that occurs at that first pouch called the cecum. So we go from the ileum to the cecum at the ileocecal valve, which I can't see well here. But from the ileum to the cecum, that first pouch, I start the large intestine to go up through the ascending colon. But at the cecum is where I see that appendix. And that appendix is roughly 2 to 4 inches for the average adult. So that little worm here is often called the vermiform appendix, because vermis is referring to a worm because it looks like a little worm. And what it's doing is actually a storage, a reservoir for good gut bacteria. So we say you have good gut health, that normal flora bacteria that's assisting the digestive process, maintaining the lining of your intestines, specifically tunica mucosa, as we learned our layers. So we're maintaining that lining, but it's also preventing from bad bacteria from proliferating throughout the intestines. So when you have something like diarrhea or you're taking antibiotics, it can destroy the lining, that tunica mucosa, of the large intestine. But you have a savior. You have inside the appendix some normal bacteria that's good for your body, that is a storage space, and we release that bacteria to assist with reproliferating good bacteria and maintaining the lining of the tunica mucosa. You may even have some lymphatic cells like B cells or T cells from an illness and disease standpoint to protect the lining as you're exposed to things by way of the food. The problem with this structure, as it's starting the process of compacting indigestible materials, feces or the stool, you can get it to where it clogs. And when it clogs, now you have proliferation of bacteria and it becomes inflamed. And then inflammation, appendicitis. Is it fatal? Pretty rare if you get medical treatment. I think it's less than 1%. If it bursts and explodes, then you have a bigger problem and it needs to be taken care of right away. But in most cases, that can be removed with no problems. You can live without the appendix. But it's a key piece that we still don't have a full understanding of, but we know that it contributes to the overall good gut health of bacteria. This is very important for our digestive process to maintain that linings that we've talked about, starting with tunica mucosa. So this is the mysterious appendix.